guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make it a point to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit on the like button, and if you feel that this video requires improvement, please comment down below letting me know what improvements you would like to see in my videos. Whatever it is, subscribe to my channel because the improvements also you could see in the coming future only if you could subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you will be notified on the videos that I upload. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. Today's video, as you all could see down below, is a haul video. I mean, if you already know about me, I wouldn't say this is a haul video, because if it is a haul that I'm showing, it has to be something that have purchased illegally, which is not true. I have legally paid for it and got it. And a haul video actually means a video where the speaker speaks about products that are hard to find, but that neither of them is a case in this video, because the products that I am going to show are from Cuffs and Lashes, Purple.com, and Instagram store called Glitz and Glamour. So you are definitely going to know about all these stores, and you can find them in these stores. Okay, so without further delay guys, let's get started with today's video. A lot of blabbering is over. So first thing is a repurchase. So this is a product I have got, guys. If you have been following me, you know that I am a regular user of this oil, which is a BioBringaraj therapeutic oil for falling hair. So this is a Bringaraj hair oil which is really good for your hair, and I believe in this, and this is like, after I have started this channel, this is my 5th bottle. Literally every month in all my purchases you will find this one product. So the next product is again a repurchase, which is the castor oil from Good Vibes, and this is the oil which I have been using lately and I am impressed. I will share a detailed review very soon on my channel, so stay tuned. And because I have been loving their onion hair oil and the castor oil from Good Vibes, this time I also thought of buying this Good Vibes coconut carrier oil, cold pressed oil from Good Vibes. So this is my third purchase. It's a 200 ml bottle priced at 300 rupees, but I'm sure Purple.com Good Vibes is always on discount, so you can shop it on Purple.com anytime. Okay, the next purchase is something I used to use once upon a time. I used to like using it, so I thought of actually trying it again, because I don't have acne now. If you have watched my previous videos, these are the old scars which I have fought really well, and luckily, touch wood, my pimples have actually reduced. But to keep that in control, I thought of getting something, and this is a Roop Mantra Ayurvedic blood purifier. It's a tonic which you could use. It claims to improve the blood purification. So yes, if you want a detailed review of this, I can share it. Let me know down there in the comment section. So let's speak about the next product from Purple. The last 2 products which I got as free products. So there was a offer going on in Purple when I shopped. They had an offer where if you purchase something for 499 rupees, you get one surprise gift. So for the surprise gift, I got this body lotion, which is a Satsuma, that orange, very clean orange. Yeah, so that orange flavored body lotion, and this is priced at 210 rupees, which was really a good deal. This is how the product looks. It's a very orangey color and smells of an orange. So this is a free product, and because I had crossed their next milestone, I also got the grapefruit nourishing face cream from Good Vibes, which is priced at 225 rupees. This is how the product looks, and it is quite filled up, guys, I must tell you. This is how it is, very well packed, and this is how the product looks like. Smells really nice. I like the smell of all the Good Vibes products. They are really great. They are amazing, you could say. So that's the next product. The products that I shopped next were all from Cuffs and Lashes. So if you don't know about Cuffs and Lashes is one of Nidhi Katiyar's brand. Nidhi Katiyar is one of our fellow YouTuber. She has been a YouTuber, I guess, since 3 years or so. And so, knowing all of that, I'm sorry guys, I'm really sweating. There's no power right now. But I had to shoot this video, otherwise I don't get time. So anyways, I'm shooting this video. So she is one of a fellow YouTuber, and Cuffs and Lashes is one of the very good brands, and it's one of the, Make in India brand where all Indian manufacturers are involved, and it is also sold by an Indian. So, right? So that's why I thought of trying the brand. So the first product that I have is these two eyeliners. These are the newly launched eyeliner, Colourpop eyeliners. I got two shades of it. One is the yellow color. I don't actually remember the name. Hope they have the name here. Yeah, it's called the Bumblebee. The yellow color one is called the Bumblebee. And the pink one, this is a lighter pink, pastel pink shade. And this is called as the Jaipur Dreams. Yeah, the Jaipur Dreams is what this is called as. And I am planning to get all of the shades if I like this. I haven't tried them yet, so I cannot tell as of now how I like it exactly. So very soon, once I'm happy with these two, I thought of getting all of the shades. They have launched 8 shades in this very colorful range. You get blues, you get purple, you get red, orange. There's one more darker shade of pink. So totally they have 8 shades, and this is how the color looks. They look quite pigmented, and it says that it is waterproof and it is cruelty free, paraben free, which is a great thing. And yeah, let's see how it works, and I will share maybe very soon once I have all the shades. Maybe I can share a swatch video and a detailed review video as well with you guys. The next product that I have is again a new launch. It's the Cover Pots by Cuffs and Lashes. I don't know. I am in the shade number 8. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is a beautiful packaging, guys. I just love the way this packaging looks. Look at that. The bottle is not glass, it's a plastic bottle, but the lid is so classy. And down there they have written the shade number. It's 08. Don't get confused. And yes, it has 0.49 or 14 grams of the product with 3 years of shelf life, which is a great thing. This is how the product is, and let me show you. Yeah, this is how the product is, and it blends really well. I'm hoping to find the right shade. Until now I haven't found a proper foundation for my skin tone, so hopefully I will get this according to my skin tone, just hoping. So yes, I will use it, and once I use it I can share a detailed review video. The next product that I have here is something I was craving for from a very long time, which is a Cuffs and Lashes That's So Me eyeshadow palette. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a package like this, a transparent cover, and wait for it, guys. This is how the package is. Look at that. Wow, right? And it comes with a cover like this, which protects the both the colors from getting mixed up. And finally, this is how the packaging is. Look at those colors. I just love it. I mean, it's amazing actually. But I don't know, actually the colors look to have mixed up. I'm hoping that they are good. I'm just going to swatch 4 of the shades. If you need a detailed review, please let me know. I can review this as well. Down there in the comment section, you could let me know. And this is 4 of the shades that I just took up randomly from the, I'm sweating a lot, guys. I'm so sorry about that. From the eyeshadow palette, these are the 4 colors that I just washed for you. They are random colors. They totally have 32 colors and they have 16 colors in each of the sides. And I can't believe I'm holding this in my hand because it was my wish to literally buy this since I have launched this channel, and finally I bought it. I was very confused because the actual price of this product is around 1399, but the MRP was at 909, yeah, 999. And finally there was a sale going on when I got it for 899. Immediately I grabbed it because I don't think so you would get any product lesser than that price. So yes guys, I just took a break and I just cleaned my face and I'm back. So the next product that I have is again from Cuffs and Lashes. This is their makeup brush holder, and these were also something that I was eyeing for from a very long time, and because of the Christmas and the New Year sale, the prices were quite discounted and I got a good deal. That's when I just grabbed these. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is a cardboard packaging and it's really very well made. If you could see, this is the complete package. It is very sturdy and very nice. There are also the luggage, there are also the leather makeup brush holders, but I just like the design of this and I thought of purchasing this, and I just got it for 300 rupees, which is a great deal. And after that I bought all of their 14 brushes, which I was again eyeing from a very long time. I think they come, it's a 14 brush set where you get 4 face brushes and 9 eye brushes. So total of 14. I can share a detailed review. All these time, all I had for my makeup brush was the normal brush set that I bought from Amazon. It was called Naked. That was a brush set all I was using until now. But now I'm going to try on with the professional brushes, which is a great thing. I have been wanting this from a very long time. I'm quite happy and quite excited about it. And next up is a normal product which I got randomly from a local store. I thought let me include it anyway in the haul video. So this is the one, guys. So I just love the way these are. Can you see them? This is very beautiful part of this earring I like, and this retails for just 100 rupees, which I was very happy about. And the final product, oh my god, I was so super duper excited to get this, is this eyeshadow palette. I got it from an Instagram store called Glitz and Glamour. Look at this. It's from SFR Colors, and this is called the Firework Show eyeshadow palette, and this palette has any color you want. I mean, from the neutral colors to the bright colors to matte colors to the shimmers to the glitters. I mean, everything is there in this one palette with a very beautiful mirror, if you could see this. And along with that, Here we have the colors. Oh my god, look at that. You can get literally all the colors in this eyeshadow palette. Can you see that? You have the white, you have the black, you have all the bright variant colors like green, red, purple, pink, literally all of these colors, blues, and the shimmer shades, the glitter shades, mattes like this yellow color. So all the colors are included. It's a 63 color eyeshadow palette, and this is something I had been wanting. Oh my god. This is one of the glitters and not the glitter shades, and look at this. Look at that. It's such a beautiful color, and those stars, can you see them? It's literally, and it's so pigmented. Can you see that? Let me swatch a shimmer shade for you. I just love these colors. Look at that. And guess the price, guys. I just got this for, can you guess the price? I got it for 650 rupees, and with the shipping charges and cash on delivery charges, it costed me 750 rupees. And I was just checking this on Cuffs and Lashes, which was SFR color Hated with Love was available for 850, and it was available on this Instagram store for just 650. And this is a matte yellow color. Can you see that? I would say the matte I'm not that impressed with the matte. Let me try another shade. It's maybe just that shade. Yeah, the mattes are okayish. I'm also scared. I don't want to, spoil all of it. Yeah, see that? It's just okayish, not that pigmented. I mean, none of the eyeshadow palettes that I've got till date has matte colors really pigmented, so I don't have much expectations from this eyeshadow palette either. But this is a whole thing, guys. I just love it. So yes guys, that was for today's video. Please let me know which was your favorite product. Please let me know which was your product that you would like to see the review for, detailed reviews. And also this is a giveaway announcement that, as all of my haul videos, even this haul includes a giveaway. When I reach 1000 subscribers, I will announce the giveaway winners. It depends on who is more into my videos, more active on my Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. So to enter this giveaway, the basic rules are: you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to like this video, you have to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. So when I reach 1000 subscribers, I will definitely announce the giveaway results. So yes guys, until then. And yeah, today my daughter, a normal guest from all my haul videos, is not available because she is out. She had some functions to attend. She's out with her grandparents. So that's all for today's video. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.